Here we have a 1997-98 early long door 4.4 1800, finished in silver with a lovely blue leather interior. Bumpers and side lights are standard on this car at this age. Door handles has better chrome, stainless steel I should say, exterior mirrors, walnut steering wheel, wooden gear knob, walnut dashboard with centre instrument panel covered in leather, a whizzy-do very period radio cassette, comes with a car cover, it's got a lucky track, originally supplied by Liebherr Motive. We've sold it before, done around 40,000 miles, stainless steel exhaust, and the R400 MOG is staying on the car. Drives nicely, good colour combination and specification without being too over the top, so it allows you to stick your own mark on the car as well, should you decide to stick Union Jack badges, bonnet strap, that kind of thing in the future. It has blue PVC weather equipment and it's available for Allon White Sports Cars on 01234 750 205. Thank you for viewing.